So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made a little over $11,000 in 1 month on Robinhood. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start making money on Robinhood, exactly the stocks that I'm investing in on Robinhood that made me money, as well as break down the truth of what wealthy people do, allow them to build wealth investing in the stock market and through Robinhood. Now, I'm going to give you guys my whole game plan, break down my whole portfolio, but please stick with me here. And yes, I did not sell GME. I did not buy meme stocks. I went out there and bought this and hold for the long term. You're going to find out. So first thing I'm going to do is jump directly into my Robinhood brokerage account. Guys, I want to give you the truth, break down, give you the numbers, and show you exactly what I did before we go any further in this video. So as you can see right here, we're going to go jump directly into my Robinhood brokerage account. We're going to clear, we're going to refresh, we're going to do it all just to show you guys the truth here. Right now we have a little over $89,000 invested in Robinhood. But as you can see at the bottom here, we're going to hit 1 month returns, and right here, as you can see, slowly but surely, we made a little over $11,358 in the past month on Robinhood. Peter, how did you do that? What is your philosophy? And how did you make money on Robinhood? If you didn't buy, sell, yeah, this is how I did it. So what I want to do, guys, is break down a few points that have allowed me to achieve and allow you to start making money on Robinhood. Everyone thinks, I want to make money in the stock market. It has to be quick, get rich fast, go out there, buy, sell, trade, make money in the market. But the truth is, I did opposite of that, and I want to share with you guys that this is one of the best ways that really wealthy people actually start building wealth in their life. And number one is to be an investor, not a day trader. For me, guys, I've been building this portfolio about 4 to 5 years. Senior year in high school, just slowly buying great companies, investing over the long term, having the long time horizon, thinking like an investor, not someone who buys and sells stocks. There are two differences. This portfolio is set for me to build wealth in my life. This portfolio is not for me to make a quick $100, $200, $300 by trading a meme stock. That's exactly how I thought. And slowly but surely, as you buy great companies, as you buy them through the dip, as you buy them through the all-time highs, as you continue to cost average each investment, great companies, great leaders, your money will eventually make money. The thing about the stock market is that this is an asset. This is a vehicle that will help you make more money with your money. If you're willing to be patient, if you're willing to set money aside, well, guess what? You can start building wealth and start getting returns on your money. The second thing I want to share with you guys is that I buy great companies early and often. Thing is, we all want the next big stock. We all want the next Tesla. We all want the next huge Bitcoin boom. We want the next cryptocurrency that's at 2 cents or 1 cent right now that's going to go to $1. That's going to change our family tree. That's going to make us the most amount of money. But honestly, guys, that would be a glory hole. That would be an absolute Las Vegas 1 in a million shot. But the truth is, if you can take your money and invest it in something where the odds are in your favor, the odds are in the favor of the company, the odds are in the favor of the market that this company's in, the odds are in the favor of the leader that is running this company, well, guess what? It's a safe, it's a smart, it's a logical, and it's a fruitful investment in the long term. But you have to have this long-term horizon. You have to have these 5 to 7 to 10 years that you're going to hold these stocks, not sell, and more importantly, you're not going to go chase these quick, make money, get rich quick, meme coins and all these little cryptocurrencies that are out there right now. Guys, it would be great to go out there and invest in, this XLR, XRP, or these crazy little meme stocks or meme cryptocurrencies that no one knows about, these altcoins. But the truth is, building wealth, like multimillionaires, like wealthy people say, it's a time game. Invest slowly, invest in assets that slowly make you money, and over the long term, you will eventually be rich. And that's exactly what happened here. I invested slowly but surely. We started out here at $50,000, couple in 2018. And we continue to grow. We continue to make more money. Slowly but surely, your account begins to grow. Your companies continue to perform. Your bets basically continue to become fruitful, and you begin to make money in the stock market. Something that I wish I knew when I began investing in the stock market. And the biggest mistake that I see some people making when they want to go out there and invest in the stock market is to buy to make $100 to $200 and sell it. The truth is, you only lose money when you sell a stock. So just something that I keep in the back of my head is that I'm never trying to sell. I'm not buying something thinking, hey, I'm going to buy this in 1 week and then sell it in 2 weeks. It just doesn't make sense, and it's not a logical or smart decision that's helped me grow my portfolio. It allowed me to make a little over $11,000 in 1 month in the stock market. Now, the last thing and the third thing is my income, my habits, and my goals. Number one, a little side note that has helped me get to this goal is, number one, is just track my network. What are you doing? What are you investing for? Why are you trying to invest in a Robinhood brokerage account? What are your goals? And more importantly, are you starting to see see gradual change? Are you starting to see gradual growth in your net worth? Are you starting to see your investments grow over time? Like I said, the time horizon does matter, but make sure you are tracking every dollar, tracking exactly where you want to be, and make sure that you are learning, growing, studying, and making more money with your money. Now, the second thing is prioritize saving, guys. None of this would have been possible if I wasn't able to save, if I wasn't able to live a less fancy life, if I wasn't able to go out there and take some of my paycheck and go out there and invest. I truthfully, to be honest with you guys, the camera here is that I would rather spend I do this with my life right now, $1,000 on Ethereum or $1,000 on Facebook stock, or $2,000 on Tesla, or the companies I have here, Square, Lululemon, Apple. I would rather take my hard-earned money that I have after, I paid for my bills and invest it directly into this. I don't need to buy a new shirt. I don't need to buy a new watch. I don't need to go out there and spend money to flex. Yes, the $1,000 I could. I'm 22 years old, but I want to continue to invest, grow my money. And honestly, guys, building wealth, making money comes down. The truth is, habits, decisions that you make, your decisions result in the actions and the desires of your life. So that's kind of it. If you could have seen the sacrifice that came into this, many people probably might have not wanted to do it, but I'm willing to be comfortable in what I have. I'm grateful for everything that I have, and I just want to just build wealth for myself. So that's what I'm thinking there, and I was willing to give up the short-term gains for the long-term flex, basically. I don't need the watch right now. Talk to me in a few years when this portfolio continues to grow. And lastly, guys, I increased my income. I found ways to just work on the weekends, put the hard work in, guys. This is the stuff that people don't talk about the stock market, is that you have to you have to find ways to make the money. You have to invest. You have to continue to increase your income. You have to start side hustles on the weekends. You have to find ways to continue to make money, to save your money, to be disciplined. This all led into exactly how I was able to grow this portfolio, kind of like the no bullshit way of how I was able to make $11,000 directly into the stock market, guys. It's not that easy, but the truth is, if you're willing to be disciplined, if you're willing to learn, if you're willing to save, if you're willing to invest, if you're willing to think like an investor, not someone who just wants to day trade, make a few $100s, and then have to pay capital gains taxes on it, it's just pointless. So think differently. Be prepared to save money and think that long-term mindset. And begin now, earlier. Let compounding interest grow your money. And literally, this is exactly what I'm seeing. Compounding interest, slow growth over time with my money. The truth is, the more money that you have working for you, the more money that you're going to have growing for you and building your future for yourself. So go out there, guys. If you need anything, if you just want to learn about how you can do it, please hit me up. I'm here to answer questions in the comment section. I'm going to continue to share with you guys my wealth building journey and just share with you guys what I'm doing at 22 to hopefully set myself up to become that future multimillionaire, successful individual business owner. And I just want to share this journey with you guys as well. If you are young, last thing is, if you are young, don't use this as an excuse. If you are young, you can start building wealth. If you are young, you can go out there and start changing your life. If you are young, you're disciplined, you're focused, and you really want it, well, guess what? You can start building a great portfolio. You can start building a great multiple assets working for you. No matter your age, you can start having a great income. So be disciplined, outwork your friends, work for yourself, and truly want it for yourself, and watch amazing things happen. So guys, thank you so much. I think we're doing a quick little morning show. It's about 6 a.m. But I want to share with you guys this continual journey. Leave a comment below on the next video you want me to drop. And I just want to say cheers. Enjoy your day and start investing. Cheers. Bye.